everyone! In this video, we are going to learn the different fields and functionalities that are available on the Inventory Count screen. To view the Inventory Count screen, go to the Inventory Count tab, then Inventory Count, and click Inventory Count screen. On the Inventory Count screen, we will be able to view different items that we have imported or that we have scanned. Here, we can verify the physical quantity of our items and the NetSuite quantity of these items. We will also be able to see the variance quantity. On the Inventory Count screen, we have different fields like Warehouse, which can be used to filter the items below based on the location or warehouse. If we want to filter the item sublist based on a specific item, then we need to select that item in the Item field. If we want to filter the item sublist based on the bin, then we need to enter the bin number in the bins field. The Account field is used to select the account that we need to use to create an inventory adjustment. The inventory adjustment date will be defaulted to the date on which we create the inventory adjustment, but if we wish to enter a different date, we can type it in the Inventory Adjustment Date field. If we want to see if the record has errors while scanning or importing it, or while creating an inventory adjustment record, we can check the Has Errors box, and once we have checked this box, click Filter. On this next page, we will be able to see which records have errors. Similarly, if we want to see which records have been successfully processed, we need to check the Show Processed Records box and click Filter. On this page, we will be able to see which records are successfully processed. There are two cases in which records are successfully processed. The first is when an adjustment record is created for that item. The second is when there is no variance quantity, the record will be processed successfully, but there will be no inventory adjustment record. If we want to go back to the Inventory Count screen, we need to uncheck the box and click on Filter again so that the screen shows the records that are not yet processed. If we want to view the custom record that is associated with an item, click on the View link to the right. On the Inventory Count screen, there are 4 buttons available. One is Process, which can be used to process inventory adjustments. The Filter button is used to filter the items based on values we have selected using the fields below. When we click the Consolidate Items button, it checks for all the items that are available in the item sublist and consolidates them if they have the same location and same bin. Finally, Inactivate Old Records allows us to inactivate old records that are displayed in this sublist. If we feel that any of these details are not valid, then we can check the box next to the record and click Inactivate Old Records, so that this record will be removed from the screen. The Total Variance field is used to show the sum of the variance costs for the individual items that are selected in this sublist. So, this was a brief explanation of the fields and functionalities that are available on the Inventory Count screen.